Hello everyone. Now I will introduce you the disassembly method for Magic Series wooden box. When we receive the goods, first we need to check whether the overall structure of the wooden box is complete. If the wooden box is damaged or otherwise unexpectedly minor, please contact sales and logistics personnel immediately. Now I will explain how to dismantle the wooden box. Before dismantling it is recommended that you have 3 tools. First, gloves and pliers and a flat screwdriver. First, need to wear the protective equipment. The first thing we need to remove is the top cover. Then the top cover buckle. It has 2 forms of internal and external buckle. When opening the button, first insert the screwdriver into the gap between the buckle and the bolt, upward to let the buckle protrude. This buckle is also the same. First insert and then protrude. After the case like this buckle is not completely straight, take a pliers to help it straighten. After breaking 2 or straighten, you can directly remove the top cover. Remove the front panel or the back panel. After all the 4 panels are removed, simply remove the machine and place it in the right position. The unpacking has been completed. After the ATM machine has been taken to the designated location, the right side of the device, it is the location of the filament container. We open the filament container box, find our power cord, remove the ties of the power cord. Take out the power cord, then find the power plug on the back of our device. Connect the power cord to the plug and connect to a 220 voltage power supply. And now we have our power connected. After connected to power, hold on the switch to power on the device. After the machine is turned on, remove the ties from the belts X and Y belts. Take out the tie and foam. When all things are removed, we enter the tool into the manual interface. Click on the Z-axis for a range of 1 mm. Uplift the Z-axis. Release the pressure of the filaments and toolkits below the axis. Remove the toolkits. Take out the complementary materials. And take out the manual and our high temperature gloves. After taking it out, we started to check our kits. Ensure all items is complete. After checking all items, the box dismantle process is completed.